12-foot Korean cast net at a very far distance. So first, let's coil up the net. Hold the top. And then coil about arm height. And then after that, take a strand of these beads, bring over to the thumb, and tie it up. And then make sure these two strands are aligned towards you, not being twisted. And then hold on and coil. And then we'll take this strand and get around 50% of the beads, like that. And then to turn around, to show you, we will get the bottom of this strand, hold the strand itself only, and pull it up to about the top. And then turn around, hold that right firmly at the top, lift up. Alright, so when you throw, point towards you, back, and then when it goes there.